Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you how you can edit the duration of photos on TikTok. So let's start our video. First, open TikTok application on your device, then tap on the plus icon here. Then go to the gallery, select the photo. You can select even multiple photos if you want. Once you select the photo, all you need to do is to tap on next. It will bring you here. All you need to do is to tap on the edit option and it will bring you to the editor. Here, as you can see, the duration of this photo is 9 seconds. So if you want to edit it, make it less duration, all you need to do is to drag it to the left of the screen. And as you can see, it become less lengthy. If you want to make it more lengthier, all you need to do is to drag it to the right of the screen. And as you can see, the duration has increased. So guys, this is simply how you can edit the duration of photo on TikTok. If you want to add music to it, then just tap on add music, and then if you want to post it, tap next, and then you will be able to post this photo. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.